Good morning to all. Today we're going to see a topic called CNC interpolation in the subject CAD/CAM and automation, where this is very important in the uh, while we do this design in the system. Interpolation is a method of constructing new data points within the range of discrete set of known data points. It means that interpolations which new data points will be constructed to make that design will be a very a very sharp one, and it is used for the CAM, the manufacturing. And then the estimations of unknown quantity between two known quantities. It is the science interpolations will be useful to find out the two quantities which is unknown. It is a mathematical process to determine the new points on the curved surface within two endpoints. It produces a series of intermediate data points between given coordinate positions and computes the axial velocity of individual axes along the contour path. It means that it produces a series of data points which will be useful in the which will be connect the coordinate positions in the axis and compute the axial velocity of the particular axis. We have three types of the interpolation. The first one is the linear interpolation, second one is the circular interpolation, third one is the helical interpolations. This moves the tool from the start point to the targeted point along the straight line. It can be implemented in a 2D plane or the 3D space. It will be useful in uh, the 2D or the 3D object where we do. The programming command should indicate X, Y, Z to know the coordinates of target point and the feed rate. Then second one is the circular interpolation. It is programmed to cut the circular arcs in three principal planes, namely XY, YZ, and ZX, where in case of the linear interpolation, there is only the axis, single axis X, Y, and Z, where in case of the circular interpolations, it will combine two axes X, Y, Z, and ZX. The directions or the target positions, arc radius, a cutting plane, and feed rate must be specified in this program in the circular interpolation, where linear interpolation is different from this circular interpolation. The third one is the helical interpolation. The helical interpolations combines the two axes, where uh, circular interpolations with the linear interpolations in the third axis. So this is where that is the measuring of helical pockets and threads. This main complex shapes has been used in the this circular and the helical interpolations compared to these two. Hardware interpolations. It consists of a pair of DDA integrators, where the direct digital analog integrators. It is capable of doing the linear and circular operations according to instructions from punched tapes. The main feature of the hardware interpolations is that controls simultaneously the two axes, X and Y, or X and Z, or the Y and Z. This is about the hardware interpolation. This the schematic diagram of this, the imagine in and the line buffer, vertical interpolator, horizontal interpolator. This coordinate accumulator will connect to the horizontal interpolator to find the axis X and Y, the weighing coefficient generated. It is used for the fine interpolator. This is about the hardware interpolation. This is very major and used in the CNC, computerized numerical control interpolation system. Next one is the software interpolation. This is a computer-based approach of hardware interpolation, where hardware interpolations, where all the axes and the object will be connected and we will find interpolate. Where this is a software one, basically the computer program which simulates a single cycle of hardware interpolator and the feed rate. The computer analysis program divides the tool path into the segments. So this computer program will help in this software interpolations. Use of coarse rough interpolation. This will be used. It is a microprocessor based interpolation system. Samples of 100 times